sanibona bafethu uvanelo. So imatch elandelayo bafana bayodlala neCzech Republic bafethu bayodlala le eAtlanta Georgia eUSA. Lo mdlalo ke bafethu bafana kumele iwine lo mdlalo lo ngoba kumele bawine bazothola ithuba lokuthi ke badlulele kwi-next round yama last 32 yabo bazoba na 3 points sebeyozama ukuthi ke bayishaye iSouth Korea on the last game okuzoba igame enkulu kakhulu for bafana if they want to continue in this tournament, if they win kule game le yeCzech Republic yabo. So bafethu siyazi ke iCzechia is a very dominant team, it's a very strong side enabadlali abade bafana uma ifuna ukuwina kule game le komele yenze sure ukuthi ke ifaka the best players abakwazi ukudlala ibhola phansi because uma bezodlala ibhola phezulu it's highly likely ukuthi ke abadlali beCzech Republic bazokwazi ke balithole lo bhola elihamba phezulu. So lana ngokwami mina ngizoshayela up yami based on iperformance engiyibonile and based on the players esinabo abazosinikeza iheight abangadlala kule game leso idlala against iCzech yabafethu. Ngayigxeke yami lineup ungitshele wena ngokwakho kuma comments yabo based on ama tactics based on izinto engenzeka siyibone kule game because I watched a game yeCzech Republic versus iSouth Korea. I saw ukuthi ke bayi team kanjani. I saw their game kuma qualifiers. I was watching their games kuma qualifiers. Their team that is very dominant, but in terms of playing e-baller, they don't have that edge of playing e-baller. Yes, they do have players who are playing in those top leagues, but they don't pose any threats going forward. So they are a team that is good on the head. They are very tall. So these are the players mina I would line up. Just tell me your lineup. So goalkeeping position bafethu nyalazi udaba. Ronon Williams is my number 1 goalkeeper. I would choose Ronon Williams as number 1 goalkeeper. Many people were blaming Ronon Williams on the last game. I don't understand what was the basis of blaming Ronon Williams because the guy did a tremendous job for Bafana on the last game. Tina bekumele kahle siconsider ama goals amaningi but we were lucky because we had a goalkeeper like Ronon Williams who saved Bafana a lot. Yabo there were many instances lapha I saw khona ukuthi ke la siya consider but Ronon Williams came through and saved Bafana. So umjita I can vouch for him ukuthi ke aqhubeke enze ma center back position. Ungangizwa kabi. I'm sure abantu abaningi bazobuza sawuvani kanjani manje. I would choose Undamane Beno Ime Okon. If you can go and look at the size of the players we are going to play against. We are going to play against one of the tallest players abakhona with competition. Czech Republic is one of the tallest. So far ngisabona iCzech Republic nani Australia. They have the tallest players. I understand why abadlali beAustralia neCzech Republic bebade kanje. So uyasodlala nabo nje kumele senze sure ukuthi ke we have 2 towers at the back which is Ndamane and Ime Okon. Njengoba sinamathwa emuva i-left back yami ngaqalisa ngingaqalisa uMbekezeli Mbokazi. UMbekezeli Mbokazi made a very good job last game ngosikhathi sidlala against Mexico. If you saw him ubengadlali kakhulu umjida as a center back, he was more of a left back kuleya position leya nabafethu. So mina ngokwami I think it's better for Bafana iqale nomdlali enjengoMbekezeli Mbokazi kuleya left back position just to minimize izinto enjengama crosses kanje. Why ngimbeka lapha is because umjida kumele ahlale lapha khona ezominimize ama crosses azoshawa yini na azoshawa ile club lesodlala na iCzech Republic. Maybe ezoshaya ama cross azongena kulona leli bhokisi enama defenders lawo yabo. So kumele minimize ama crosses. That is why I'm putting uMbekezeli Mbokazi there instead of Modiba. Masukuthi ke lapha ka right wing back ngaqelisa bani na uDaniel Mdawo. Yabo uMdawo why ngembiza uDaniel uMdawo ngambeka lapha nabafethu ukhulisa uMdawo as a right wing back naye uyawazi umsebenzi. There were no crosses that were played kule last side lakhe uMdawo last game. Same nakule game soyidlala I'm expecting the similar situation ukuthi ke amabhola angangeni as ama crosses. So ngicut offer iservice kuma wings kuma wingers Czech Republic ngizo-cut offa i-service by putting these 2 players. So awekho amabhola azodlalwa as ama-crosses. So into abazofuna ukuthi-ke bayibulale kakhulu i-Czech Republic bazobona ukuthi-ke ama-wingers azobe e-cut offiwe bazofuna ukusebenza kakhulu inside. So eswini ngizoqalisa nje abadlali abane-experience, abadlali abalwaziyo udaba lwabo yabo. So nabaka abajide ngizobaqalisa eswini bafethu kuba na okuTebogo Mokoena benoTalente Mbatha. Tebogo Mokoena, I would make him play that number 6 position, which is funny because he was supposed to play the number 6 position in the last game. I don't know what changes that occurred that make Hugo Broos change his lineup, because he was supposed to play that number 6 position. He was supposed to be the one who is receiving the ball in the deep area and supplying the ball to other players, to the strikers. But eventually it was Tole who was playing that position. But again, that is a story for another day. I would play Ubanina Tebogo Mokoena with Talente Mbatha. Both players are good on the ball. They are very cool. They are very composed. They are very, very strong when it comes to marking. So I choose both of these players to be very, very vital for Bafana Bafana kulesa sisulisa. They must make sure they don't get toyed around by those big giant players. Abanina Abe Czech Republic. I like Talente Mbatha because he comes in with a very, very good height. So the player is very, very good at that. Which is very, very good. He's a good box-to-box player. Same as Tebogo Mokoena. I would want to see both of these guys shooting a lot. We didn't take many shots this last game. Only Mbegazile Mbogazi and Oswina Police were the ones who gave us direct shots. Yabo. Masukuti kula number 10 position. I wouldn't play with the number 10 in this game, but I would make Ubanina Jaden Adams cover that area. Yabo. I would make Jaden Adams cover that area and play that number 10 position for Bafana Bafana. I know the player is not a number 10, but I would make him play that position. Umchita for me uyadingakala kulesa sisiba Bafana Bafana. Kumele isisu sethu sibe stable. Yabo. Kumele nje isisu sethu sibe stable. Maybe the second half we can make some other choices and remove Mfukeng Simeze as number 10. But again, Umchita ngamdlalisa mina as number 10 Bafana Bafana in starting. Yabo ngangitshela ngoku kuthi ke kuma wingers I would play Mfukeng as a left winger yami for the game leso idlala against the Czech Republic. I think must dalisa a tricky winger like Mfukeng. Czech Republic ngezifuna uku-attack kakhulu because they would want to stop these youngsters who are going to be very, very quick for the Czech Republic, and they may cause some fouls and create some chances for Bafana Bafana to shama crosses ngene phakathi sikora magoli. Same as that right wing position, I would play Oswina Police on that right wing. The boy will provide some creativity in that right wing and deliver some good balls in the box, so our forwards can score some goals. Yabo. So iwona ke bafethu ama-wingers engawaqalisa mina. Wena ngokwakho ungangitshela ukuthi ke imaphi ama-wingers ongawaqalisa for iBafana Bafana. Masukuthi ke i-striker up front, but now Evidence Makgopa is the only striker engasiqalisa for iBafana Bafana. Guys, angifuna uqamba. This is the lineup for me. You can tell me all you want. You can take the lineup, but this is the lineup for me, which I think Bafana Bafana will take the 3 points to Czech Republic. Ungangitshela wena ama comments isiphi sakhe sila lineup, isiphi sakhe starting line.